Hello folks, hope you're all fine. In this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your website, your WordPress website, to Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a tool which tracks the traffic to your website. It will generate the reports and everything. So let's move on. In here we are going to use the Google Analytics, and there is a plugin called MonsterInsights. Just follow the tutorial step by step, and at the end everything gonna be clear. First go to your browser and search for the Google Analytics, and click on the first link you see. Alright, you need to log in with your Google account. Type the password, click here, start measuring. Alright, so this is the account name. The account name can be your business name. For example, this is my website, Solutions Technology. I can type here Solutions Technology. Okay, this is your account name. Account data sharing setting. So these are just the privilege you give to Google to collect information from your website. It's good for the SEO, and it is good for the analytics. So I just leave as it is and click next. Here it is the property name. Property name, again I'm typing my website name. Alright, and you select the time zone and the currency you select for your website, if you have an e-commerce store, but in here it's just a blog website. Anyway, I just type Australian dollar. Here it is, and click next. Alright, okay, business size, your category, mine is computer and electronics. Okay, it is asking how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. Well, I just check all of them. Optimize advertising costs, increase my conversion. Create. If you want, you can read these data processing terms and just accept. Preferences, well, I really don't want to receive a lot of emails, and let me see what they are. Performance suggestion and updates, feature announcement, feedback and testing, offers from Google. Well, okay, just let me save this preference anyway. Now we need to specify, okay, what is our platform? That's the our website. Here we need to paste the URL, www.tech.solutions.net. Stream name is tech. That's okay. Create stream. Alright, here it is. We have created a stream, and this is the stream ID and measurement ID. Now all you need to do is, for example, you can copy these tags and paste it on your website header, and the Google will start collecting data about the traffic to your website. So whenever you want to check the analytics for your website, you need to log into your Google Analytics account, and you will see how is the traffic on your website. But I don't want to log into my Google Analytics account every time and see the performances. I want to see everything on my WordPress dashboard. So I go to WordPress dashboard. There's a plugin called MonsterInsights. Go to plugins, add new. The plugin called MonsterInsights. This is the plugin. It has more than 3 million active installation, and it's really a good one. Another plugin, the alternative one, is Google Sitekit. That is also a good one, but this one has, I prefer this one, MonsterInsights. I have already installed and activated. When you install, on the left side, you will have this option, Insight. Just click on that. Okay, so far your website is not connected to the Google Analytics, so we need to connect this one. Just click Launch Wizard. Okay, so what is your website? Publisher, business website. I just select Publisher. connect Google Analytics with WordPress. Okay, so now you need to log in with the same account, the Google account which you already used. Click allow. Alright, here it is. This is what we created, and I agree to receive some important communications from MonsterInsights. It's alright. Complete connection. These are some recommended settings. You can just check them and set up the way you want. And these are some affiliate links. For example, you can specifically see the traffic from a specific link, a specific affiliate link or an influencer, and who can see the report, administrator and editor, install updates automatically, save and continue. These are some recommended add-ons. If you're using the pro version, you can use them. By the way, I will put a link in the description, an affiliate link. If you are willing to purchase the pro version, then you can use my affiliate link, and then of course I will receive some commission. I thank you for that. Okay, so save and continue. Alright, now we're done. Just finish up and exit wizard. Great, now you can click report. Let me open it in a new window. And if you purchase the license key, you can just type it right here. You just can go through. From now on, Google will collect the traffic from your website and will just MonsterInsights will display all the details right here. So also you can log into Google Analytics account and see the traffic status for your website. Okay, so far everything is 0. We just installed this one. You can see the preview, the sessions. When we scroll down, you can see, yeah, everything is just 0. And you can see there are some other tabs. There are many of them actually. In order to use, you need to update to the pro version. But the free version, the light version, is okay for many websites. I mean, you don't really need to track everything. But if you need, of course, you can upgrade to the pro version anytime you want. For example, if you have an e-commerce store, for example, I have an e-commerce store that is solutions.net. For this one, I'm using the pro version. So just the overview tab can show you a lot of information, and I think for a blog website, it's all you need. Okay, all right. It's done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and just comment below if there is any issue, any problem, or any suggestion or objections, and hit the subscribe button. Every now and then we are uploading some tech related videos. I'm sure you're gonna find the channel useful and our content gonna be useful. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a good time. See you in the next tutorial.